Hey everyone, I'm Charlene. Thanks for watching. Well, we're not quite 7 hours in. It's been continually snowing to some degree all day. As you can see, we have a little bit of accumulation here, more on the end, of course, because that's where all the wind blows. But wow, what a beautiful winter wonderland. The roads are pretty greasy, as you can see. So if you're out there, I hope you still have your snow tires on. Anyway, it's nice out. It's about -10 Celsius, about 14 Fahrenheit. If you're out there, don't forget, everyone, be safe and be kind. Be careful. And thanks for watching.